I'm going to explain about props in React. Props stands for properties, which are used to pass the data from one component to another component, usually from a parent component to child component. The props are read-only, it means immutable. A child component can't change the props it receives. Whichever data has been sent from the parent component to the child component can use the data, but the data can't be modified by the child component. Why use props? Which are used to reuse the components. You can call a number of times the same component whenever you need to send the data in the form of text, in the form of numbers, in the form of objects and functions. I will show you all these examples. Let me send a text and numbers from the parent component to the child component. The app component is represented as a parent component. I will create the child component. Click on new file. My component name is my component.jsx function my component div, then export this component, export default my component. If we export this component, the other component can import it, otherwise other component doesn't import this component. Then I comes to the app.jsx. Let me pass the data to the my component, then my component is imported, name equal John, age should be 25, because I want to pass the data as a string and as a number. Then I comes to the my component to receive the parent data as a props paragraph name props dot name. I include another paragraph. Age should be props dot age. To receive the data from the parent component as a props object, then to display it, props dot name, props dot age. Name should be a string type, age should be a number type. You can see over here, this is props demo. The name is John, the age should be 25. I can pass the another data, this one. The name should be Alice, age should be 30. Look at here, the first we passed the data. The name is John, age is 25. We pass the data as name as Alice and age should be a 30. Then if you want to pass the object from the parent component to the child component, let me create an object const my object name is Madar, age is like 36. I create the object, then pass the data. The object name is my obj.name, the obj.age. Then you can look at here. Then what is the name we are passing? Mother. Then age should be 36. I will pass the function as a parameter to the child component. My component handle click function name show message, then define the function const show message name alert or everyone. My component is a child component and it click attribute name equal to show message is the function name. This function has been passed to the child component, but the implementation is done in the parent component. Show message alert hi everyone. Then I comes to the pay. I create the button. Click me. Button name is click me. On click. On click. Then handle click. Props dot handle click. Because how do you pass the function from the parent component to the child component? Then here button I created on click event, then props dot handle click, then click me. Then look at here. If I click on button, it will show alert message that will be executed in the parent component. Hi, child component. I will provide the my component. This is opening component. This is the closing component. I provide the children's h2. This is heading tag is the content. Then I provide the another child paragraph. This is paragraph tag. Then how the child component can receive these as their children's? Let me show you. Comes to the my component. Remove this. Props dot children. Whatever the data we are received as part of the children from the parent component to the child component, those will be displayed. Look at here. This is the heading tag. This is a paragraph tag. You can use props destructuring simply children. Directly use children without props. Look at here. This is the heading tag. This is the paragraph tag. Then I comes to the app.jsx. Then how we can able to pass the children's of the component from the app component to the my component. They are the ways we can pass the data from parent component to the child component using props.